Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to tell you that how to install Google Chrome. So before I continue my video, please go ahead and subscribe my channel. If you like the video, please hit the like button and the bell icon for the notification. So as you can see that I just opened Microsoft Edge and I'm gonna search to download Google Chrome file. So let's Google Chrome, let's search for Google Chrome download. That's kinda like giving me some. Okay, let's open Google and we are gonna search for Google Chrome download. You don't need to select for Windows 10 or Windows 7, it's gonna pick it up by itself. So that's what I'm searching for right now. And so these first links, these are ads, so you're not gonna click on it. So let's go and open Google Chrome, do google.com/chrome. I'm gonna click on it, and now it says that download Google Chrome for Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8 or 7, 64-bit. This bit it actually picked by itself because the window installed on my computer, that is 64-bit. actually you can see over here, and that's why it just showed me like 64-bit. it picked by itself. So I'm gonna click on download Chrome, and it's gonna download a file. Here's that file, it says Chrome setup. I'm gonna click on open file. As soon as I click on the open file, it's gonna ask for the permission. So yes, now it start running the setup, which is gonna take few seconds. It also depends on the internet speed of yours. So sometimes if your internet speed is slow, it will take time. Just let it take its time, and now it's doing the installation actually. So once it's installed, so as you can see, the installation is complete, and I'm gonna close the Microsoft Edge now, and my Google Chrome is here, so I'm gonna open it. And as soon as I open, it's asking for the Google Chrome account. If you have any Google account, you can click on it, or otherwise you can continue without an account. So it's just gonna ask for the name for this profile actually. So I had signed and some profiles already in here, so I can use that, or either I can just enter as a guest account. After checking this button, it will create an icon like this on guest Chrome. So as many as profile or website you will bookmark, or any password you saved on guest profile, they will stay there. So what I'm gonna do, I just type text over guest over here. I'm gonna uncheck this because I don't want to create any icon over there. Then I'm gonna hit done. So now as I select the color theme, is open as like that. So we can have multiple accounts of Google Chrome, like over here. As you can see, I have a couple of them, and these accounts helps you saving passwords, bookmarks as according to your profile. So that's all you need to do to install the Google Chrome, and looks like everything is good, up and running, so you can start using Google Chrome. Alright, so that's it for the installation of Google Chrome. If you guys have any question, leave in the comment, and let me know what you want to know about. If you need anything, any help, just leave your comment, and I would definitely try and make a video on it. So hope you like this video. Go ahead and press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, please. All right, thanks. Bye.